Okay, guys, we are about to talk about these cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Shib, and Dogecoin. Three of the biggest, most watched, and favorite cryptos across the crypto markets and across the world as they are preparing for Bitcoin to become the one world currency. And let me tell you something. This is very vital stuff you need to know because we about to move to the next planets. They're not taking these dollar bills to Mars. These cryptocurrencies are going to be the only things that are transferable across the planets. And we're going to talk about the news and the fundamentals on these. Let you know why these been so bullish. We're going to talk about the charts and the technicals. Find the next incoming trend as these every single one of these has been onto a massive bull run. Everybody liking in great gains off of these non-Billy banks. Joining me in the classroom today is Mr. John, here to assist me talk about these cryptos and give his insight as well. Guys, how you doing today, Mr. John? You here? Hot information that we're about to drop on these guys and learn. Currently talking about Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. These cryptocurrencies, they might not want to miss this. And of course, I wish I could throw LBC in on this list, but LBC is not here on Webull and not just yet. But you talk more about that, and let's get right into it, Mr. John. We're gonna start off with Bitcoin. The markets, the crypto markets, the world's most favorite thing right now. Bitcoin goes from the super lows. Y'all remember back when Bitcoin took that big huge dip from the highs of these 70,000s all the way back down to lows of that 15,000. That was back towards around around the end of 2022. We were talking about Bitcoin back in the Bank of Billy Discord when I was putting out alerts for Bitcoin, letting everybody know that Bitcoin's going to be the next big thing that you wanted to be in on Bitcoin before it passed over that $20,000. From those alerts in the Bank of Billy Discord, where I will help you get into the safe, easy, early seat, long game section, Bitcoin will go from those super massive lows all the way up from $20,000, $15,000 to the highs of $70,000. And I tell them, Mr. John, if they be in the Bank Wibbly Discord to see these alerts on time, they can get to a safe, easy, early seat on time. Bitcoin going from 20,000 off my alerts in there all the way to 70,000, and they in the Bank Wibbly Discord sitting good. Say they sitting in a safe, easy, early seat, and that's what it's all about, making sure that you get into the early seat in these stocks, so you don't have to chase them up for that last minute. Touching up towards that overbought and dangerous right now. Bitcoin is projected to go even higher. Let me tell you why. Because the hot news coming out on Bitcoin, very bullish sentiment across the crypto markets overall in general. And that's really what it comes down to, is that bullish sentiment. What do you think about Bitcoin right now? I see, and this is crazy too. And keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. How they say, been hearing it, y'all been hearing it, and viewers, if you are hearing this right now across the Facebook, across the TikTok, on YouTube, wherever y'all chiming in from, let us know in the comments below what cryptos you hold, how far you think they can go. Again, safe, easy, early, best seats to get into. It's the same setup and same strategy every single trade, and keep this in mind. They don't say that Mr. John. They're not saying this is about to become the one Earth currency. They saying this is going to become the one world currency. They saying that when we move to those next planets, y'all better have y'all bitcoins. If y'all come to these next planets without any cryptocurrency, y'all broke at the bottom. Because again, we're not taking these dollar bills out there to space. They're going to be completely worthless out there. They're going to be you used for fire out, used to make fire out there. We're gonna have these cryptocurrencies. That way we can transfer to our friends and family all the way from Mars, all the way back to Earth, all the way from Earth, all the way out there to whatever other planet they found. And y'all guys didn't know this, they found a lot of habitable planets. They need these cryptos. You're gonna need them as well. We got early alerts coming out for Bitcoin stock. Not only would you been able to see my alerts, and I was letting you guys know you want to be in Bitcoin at that 20,000 or lower. If you want to be riding this thing all the way up to that next 70,000 that it's at right now. But we also seen back in 2022 a lot of places at Bitcoin. For example, Bitcoin payments became accepted in McDonald's in Lugano, Switzerland, back around the end of 2022. They're talking about how Visa was to launch a Bitcoin and crypto-backed debit card in 40 countries in partnership with FTX. These are just some examples of the news and alerts that go out in the Banking with Billy Discord. Following along with the news, being most up to date with what's going on. That's what it's all about, guys. You want to be into a safe, easy, early seat, and we make it 1,000 times easier for you guys in the Bank with Billy Discord, telling you when it's time to get in there, letting you know when it's time to be moving around and or getting out of those stocks. And of course, hot, easy to follow crypto alerts going out in the Bank with Billy Discord, along in the crypto sections, guys. If you were into those cryptocurrencies, let me tell you something. We got 4 crypto sections. The crypto one, as you can see, throwing out BTC. Well, we got crypto two, throwing out easy cryptocurrency alerts to follow, letting you know this is the price target. Let this load up here a second, real quick, Mr. John, real fast. But easy crypto alerts letting you know this is the entry point. You using that leverage, you can have those multipliers, taking profits at those ranges, and letting you know what your stop loss is. These are very, very easy to follow along crypto alerts that go out in the Bank with Billy Discord. So if you are newer to cryptos, and because like I tell you guys, money don't take a weekend off. So neither does Banking with Billy. Non-stop stock alerts all week, non-stop crypto alerts, 24/7, all day, every day, all through the nighttime. Pick your favorite section now. And again, you could have been in BTC, not only for my alerts, but also for alerts going out in the crypto sections on time. And of course, like I say, let us know in the comments below how much Bitcoin you got, what your expectations are. Do you have any questions, concerns, need recommendations, accommodations, whatever it is? Let us know, and we'll go ahead and get that squared away for you in the Discord. Can add in and update just about anything. And again, it's 1,000 times easier, Mr. John, if they were in here seeing the alerts on time for all of these easy Bitcoin alerts that have been going out from those lows of 20,000 as they continuously pushed up to 70,000. Bitcoin, crypto market is bullish. Guys, next up we got Shiba Inu. No, I used to be a very, 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 very big holder of the Shiba Inus back when. Me myself, I got tired of waiting. Should never have gotten tired of waiting because we've seen Shiba Inu come in for such moves, such moves ever since, especially this most recent move coming in for the multi-day bull run from the lows of, I don't even know how to say that number. From the lows of super less than a penny, all the way up to getting closer to that penny. Guys, this is a non-stop bull run in Shiba Inu right now. It's running, because the weekend is weekend, cryptos and whatnot be trading all day and whatnot still. Down about 1, almost 2% right now. Want to see some more pressure come in on Shiba Inu? Like right now, it's overbought and dangerous on your swing trade time frame. Swing traders might be getting ready to put this thing. Well, you already can see that some of them want to send this thing down for a quick dip. If I show you this back on your 4-hour chart, you'll be able to see how that quick dip that did most recently come in did push the RSI back down towards the middle range, that more cautionary position. What they do is they wait for that next round of bulls divergence that comes in that they're about to see come in right now. And Shiba Inu is going to break past up towards new heights. A lot of these people going in Shiba Inu right now are literally going in for that long-term investment. They don't plan on letting Shiba Inu go at all. Neither nor any of these cryptos. Like they talking about taking these cryptos to the stars. They talking about passing these things down through the generations. You looking at Shiba Inu right now? Yes, I heard you. What do you think of Shiba?
Man, she 0.03524. Right.
I agree. I agree, man. And right now it's looking pretty good on Shiba Inu. There's been lots of alerts going out for Shiba Inu in the Bank of Billy Discord. I'd like to take you guys to crypto section one, just like how we looked in there for all the latest Bitcoin alerts. Crypto one has been throwing out non-stop Shiba Inu alerts as well. Easy uptrends. You go ahead and see that alert letting you know it's time to be buying in there. This is your price target is. Getting ready to lock in gains. Move carefully and accordingly. Depending on how you like to trade, whether you're going for a swing trade, a day trade, a long-term investment, I tell you guys, it's easy money. We know what you are going for. If you go for those cryptocurrencies, you'll find the cryptocurrencies towards the bottom of the Banker with Billy Discord in the crypto sections where you find crypto 1, 2, futures 3, and 4 for whatever type of moves you like to look for. Like I say, nothing gets past the Banker with Billy Discord. I've been able to make 1,000. I've been able to analyze 1,000 stock, 1,000 charts, showing you guys how every single stock that ever exploded. And now I can even show you how every single crypto that has ever exploded has been alerted out in the Banker with Billy Discord as well for safe, easy moves. Whether you be going long, going short, see the thing on time. And in this case, like with these cryptocurrencies we talking about, a lot of these people are going for investments. Some of these people still do their day trades, swing trades, and whatnot. But if you like about going long in for life on LBC, I'll show you more about that one in the next crypto video. LBC library credits, might want to do a little bit of due diligence yourself before I do make that video, so you can have an understanding of what's going on with it when I do not drop that next one. I think I already made an LBC video, but Shiba Inu and Bitcoin. Easy alerts you guys could have been seeing in the Bank with Billy Discord for both of those. And next up, Mr. John, we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin, a little bit more people's favorites than Shiba Inu, and this thing will go from the lows of 5 cents up to the highs. Hold on, let's see if it's even lower than that. This thing will go from the lows of about 4 or 5 cents all the way up to the highs of what is now 20 cents. Sitting here at 18 cents, up at 5.80%. Right now, we're watching Dogecoin get ready full recovery. In fact, it already is. It was at the highs of 21 cents. It made it back up to the highs of it's at the highs of 74 cents. We're about to watch this thing make a full recovery back up towards that 74 cents. Dogecoin getting ready to work its way up towards that dollar. Well, easy. And again, crypto markets have been a lot more bullish overall lately. What do you think about Dogecoin right now, comparing it to Shiba Inu and Bitcoin? It's looking good right now, super bullish, of course. And a lot of people, of course, like we say, are going for these things for that longer term investment on these cryptocurrencies. Too impressive. Jeez. I agree. And it's looking very good on these right now, especially in the Bankability Discord because of Mr. John, they would have been able to catch Dogecoin in the safe, easy early seat, as Banker with Billy has been alerting out Dogecoin along in the crypto sections for the whole while. Same as Bitcoin, same as Shiba Inu. Guys, you want to see these alerts on time. If you are into those cryptocurrencies, make sure you go ahead and help yourself to the Banker with Billy crypto sections down there. Because I just showed you how you could have caught every single one of these for very easy to follow alerts, letting you know what the entry price is, letting you know if these are going to be getting more bullish, more bearish, whether they going long, going short. And every single one of these right here, like I say, these cryptocurrencies, they setting up for the future, man. They setting up for the future. These things are going to be going to the next planets for the next generations, traveling across the stars. And I'm talking about you're going to pick out what your favorite crypto coin is and whatnot while they all still into the safe easy early seat, and go ahead and load that up. Make your plan. We talking about long term on these things. Could have seen Dogecoin while this thing was at the I don't need look at this. I don't know how to say this number, Mr. John. At 0.0009. They could have been in there. They could have been in there in the Bank of Billy Discord from 0.009 all the way up to the highs of what is now. What's this at, like 20 something cents right now? And finna continue to push on. The Bank of Billy Discord always helps them get into these early seat. It's crazy. My plan, of course, is like I was saying a little bit earlier in this video, and you guys probably been hearing me talk about this in my previous videos, trying to put you guys on game to the L. Find your favorite crypto. You can't get them all. No. You can't get them all. Just understand that now and settle for something somewhere. But you pick out your favorite one. Now, what we talking about now is that these cryptos are still in the very early stages. During the great meme era that came into the markets with the AMCs and whatnot, some of these cryptos were affected by that as well, becoming meme coins, getting hit with rug pulls and all that stuff like that. Things have settled down a bit throughout those meme eras. Things are getting a little bit more bullish now on across all the markets as we see. Don't miss this. In the crypto video, we'll be talking about LBC, those library credits. Do a little bit of due diligence ahead of time so you can go ahead and prepare for that. I accumulated it from Odyssey, and we'll talk more about the different platforms it has. But once again, we've just shown you guys how you could have caught every single one of these at the very bottom. Bitcoin down at 20,000. You're following all the my alerts in there. Shiba Inu down at those fractions of a penny at a number so low we can't even say that number. Dogecoin down at the lows of that 0.0009. Easy board runs at every single one of these coming in for their next big round of bullishness. Every single one of these are starting to become unstoppable. Billy Banks. This is Mr. John from Just.Scrollin.Trades on YouTube. Make sure you guys go ahead and meet us up in the Banking with Billy Discord. Feel free to join in on our classroom sessions. We're up in the classroom 24/7 to help you guys. We're here making sure that we are readily available 24/7 nonstop for anybody who has any questions, for anybody who has any concerns, for anybody who need any recommendations or need any accommodations. We are here for you. If you need proper training into these markets on how to catch this or how to catch that or whatever you got to be going for, let us know so we can get you on point, get you caught up so you can be ready when we advance into the next things. Join on the Bank with Billy Discord. Bank with Billy Discord is a non-stop 24/7 active community with very experienced traders, entrepreneurs, businessmen, and businesswomen of all sorts of varying industries and we all trade with the same setup and same strategy every single trade. So you can trust and believe. Not only we or Mr. John gets to tell you about any of these stocks, but also any of the rest of the members in Banking with Billy Discord, any of the coaches or any of the analysts, because we all go in at those lows and oversolds, locking gains in when they become overbought and dangerous. It's easy money. We know what you are going for. We'll see you guys in the Banking with Billy Discord and happy trading.